Put the powder to the ground coffee holder. The weight of the powder corresponds to the needed amount of brewed coffee. You can also adjust the weight according to your concentration preference. Notice that the level of coffee powder should not exceed the max mark. Close the holder cover. Put the holder in the holder compartment. Close the lid. Place the cup and press the power button. Choose corresponding size according to your needed amount of brewed coffee. Then press the brew button. The machine starts pumping and heating, then brewing. Heating times varies depending on the selected brewing size. Please wait for the machine to cool down. Then clean the holder to prevent scalding. If the tank lacks water during the pumping process, the Add Water indicator will flash blue light. Add the water and press the brew button to restart.